So somewhere, somehow, the once mighty West Indies, they are somewhere in the world. I think it's on the African continent, Zimbabwe to be exact. We are all forced to experience the indignity of watching the West Indies jostling with some other minnows to try and qualify for the 50 over World Cup. And look, we've gone past the point of trying to find solutions to the cycle of complexity that put West Indies cricket in this sorry state, or even to find that elusive solution or set of solutions to the unsolvable problems of West Indies cricket. But guess what? We still love cricket, and believe it or not, we are still interested in the fortunes of the West Indies team. We're actually at a point where we watch the West Indies amidst watching football, or watching basketball, or watching track and field, or watching movies, or watching the news. We watch the West Indies, but we watch them in small doses. We watch them in very small doses. We have to quint we eye when we are watching West Indies. Sometimes we shut we eye when we are watching West Indies.